Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
Taking a look at this Fendi model FFM0039S/G/S in color code KB77Y. It's a gray-yellow color frame. On the temples here we have a Fendi logo engraved in silver, and the temple tip is yellow. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. Also has a Fendi logo engraved. The lenses are a red decor mirror and has the Fendi logo all over the lenses. The style of this frame is shield. Up here we have a Fendi case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and the manufacturer card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.